Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the latest and greatest in footwear fashion. Today, we're diving into the world of elegance and sophistication with a pair of shoes that's making waves in the market. Introducing the Goolita women's open-toe pearl platform heels. These aren't just any heels. They're the epitome of style and grace, perfect for any occasion where you want to stand out from the crowd. Let's start with the design. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, these heels feature a stunning array of pearls adorning the vamp, adding a touch of glamour to every step you take. The round toe and block heel provide both comfort and stability, ensuring you can dance the night away without a care in the world. But beauty is nothing without substance, and these heels have plenty of it. Made with soft padded insoles and a wear-resistant, non-slip rubber outsole, they're as comfortable as they are stylish. Whether you're walking down the aisle or hitting the dance floor, you can trust these heels to keep up with you every step of the way. And let's not forget about versatility. Whether you're a bride to be looking for the perfect wedding shoes or simply want to add a touch of elegance to your evening attire, these heels have you covered. With a chic design that's both timeless and modern, they're sure to turn heads wherever you go. So there you have it, folks. The Goolita women's open-toe pearl platform heels, the best pearl shoes for women heels available in the market today. If you're ready to elevate your style game and step into the spotlight, these are the shoes for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the hottest products out there. Until next time, stay stylish.